Are you looking for a luxurious corner in a large metropolis where you can start your expat lifestyle? I take you on a 4K walking tour of what is called Ciudad Cayala or Cayala City. Hey there and welcome to Cayala, a luxury suburb of Guatemala city capital. It is in the eastern part of the city, and it is characterized by some very fancy style apartment residential complexes and even a palace looking building around here. This is my first time here, so I don't really know what to expect. Therefore, I'm just going to walk around and give a little Cayala tour. Some Vespa sales going on over here. Yeah, this is the typical upper scale luxury area of the city. Lots of luxury brands of vehicles. Nice, beautiful new architecture with the banks and pharmacies inside. Credomatic. Bobalicious. Popular one there. Bobalicious. My first impressions of this so far is it's quite nice. It is a massive difference from where I'm staying down in the suburbs in the south. If you're getting value from my dedication to the research, traveling, recording, and editing needed to create the content I produce, please show me your appreciation by hitting that subscribe and like button below the video, as it really makes a difference to me and it motivates me to finish my massive multi-year video series motorcycling alone through Latin America, showing you great undiscovered spots for your future expat lifestyle. It is more than likely that you are a male in your 50s from the United States and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Well, let me show you how to do that now. Looks like you have some parking or something going on. Starbucks. Can't have luxury shopping center without Starbucks. Kloster. I'm thinking that's a German restaurant. Perhaps. So this might be the more residential part in the background there. Monumento al Papa Juan Pablo II. John Paul II here. Here's a church. Bell towers. Oh, the bell tolls. Cinépolis. It's like a giant outdoor mall. Really. It's a little children entertainment center zone for little niñas. International brands are rocking here. Adidas. So nice looking restaurants. Frisco Grill. It's like a mixture of mall and circus. I don't know if it has to do with Easter or not. Dragon. Rack, some shoe shop, cantina. Might have a drink here later, La Cantina. It's a pretty decent place to sit and have a beer. So far so good, I'm liking this place. But it just continues, it doesn't stop. Quicksilver. Butterflies.
Aquí hay unos.
Ming. What is that? Chinese or something? Wow, it just keeps on going and going. Casa, house. Whatever that is. Stretches way beyond there. Casa Escobar. It's like an upscale restaurant type of place. I'm finding a place here called Distrito Moda, which is Fashion District. Let's take a peek at the Fashion District. Distrito Moda. Here, street fatigue. More Nike shop. This is the second Nike shop I think I've seen. Alduna. Distrito Moda. I wonder if I can get up. Might get trapped into this corner here. Ooh, that's a big zebra. A little bit taller than I am. Maybe life-size. Life-size zebra here in the mall. Saul Crepes. Okay, I've seen this brand around. I actually ate there last night. Fratelli. Base. Frisco Grill again. wonder if this brings me back into, yep, there it is. Okay, good, it's connected. Frisco Grill. Have you always wanted to check out Latin America, but you felt it was too risky because it was too dangerous and you don't have any contacts there? Are you looking to go to an exotic tropical place, such as climbing a mountain or a volcano? Or are you looking to catch some sun on the beach? Or go on a boat tour? Here at Generic Expats, we offer generic tours to give you that safety, security, and that helpful connection with me to be able to do these tours with no fear. Follow along on genericsworld.net and you can see where I am and book a tour for the following locations as I'm driving south on my motorcycle through Latin America. Well, this has been an eye-opening experience here, checking out the, whatever this mall is called, in Cayala. Quite a nice view at the sunset. Here we see the sunset in the background with the palace. City sign there. This is by far the most modern and developed part of Guatemala I have seen. It definitely screams international and high class and comfortable and luxury. There's a McDonald's across the street. McDonald's, can't really see it that well. Here's a very famous chicken brand from the capital city. I believe this is their own brand, Pollo Campero. I guess that means like chicken from the farm or something. That's my guess. Here we have a McDonald's. Can't have developed without McDonald's. Probably another mall over there. Let's stack up the American brands. Add onto the McDonald's a Taco Bell. Yeah. There you go. This area is all about the Nike, that's for sure. Office Depot. Just racking up the American brands. Okay, Marcos and Marco, I'm not sure what that is. Back behind here, CrossFit. And it seems like a golf type of center. Place to practice golf or whatever. Really turn me on, really turn me on, rock me off my feet. Michael Jackson in the background. MJ. Looks like a supermarket. I haven't seen this. Really. Marco must be the supermarket. Simulator Center. Okay, so this must be a golf center called Simulator Center next to a Domino's. This place loves Domino's, that's for sure. I've seen a million Domino's. Vista Cayala. I guess that's a restaurant here. Well, talk about an interesting walk today. I would be so pissed off right now if I was staying at this hotel. AC Hotels area. This dude is rocking his violin, but it's fucking loud as shit.